Trying to see if she'll roll over. Have to act like I'm not paying attention.
It's turning into a picture.
It's a picture of the handy dandy machine. That's in the clubhouse basement.
Adventure Day is almost over, and there's not much time left to find the Golden Bubble. Now where is it? Safari Pete, are you still trying to get the puzzle pieces from us? And the Golden Boo-Boo for yourself?
Me? No. I never really tried to take anything from you. You see, I am really Protector Pete. It's my job to protect and guard your golden.
No, don't play with her, Jenna. Jenna, sit back up on the couch.
I was just testing you. You know, see how brave and clever you really are. And I mean to tell you, you all are brave and clever adventurers.
Well, Mr. Protector Pete, I'm still Daisy O'Dare, and we are here for the Golden Boo-Boo. Hand it over. Please?
After you got one last chance, all you got to do is pick the golden boo-boo from behind this here screen.
Still tired.
One of them is the golden
Miss Space your bonnet, Henry.
The other is the genuine real-life boo-boo chicken.
Wow, this is tricky. How can we tell which is which?
See, there she went. Whoop, there she went. She did it! What a big girl! Yay! Well, you gotta get your arm out of there.
How can we use bird
You gotta get your arm out of there. Here, let me help you. Let me help you.
I know. With
Yeah,
the real
yeah, you're such a big girl.
bird seed, he'll come out and eat.
Yeah.
Then we'll know the other one is the statue.
good?
Say, I'm such a big girl. I'm such a big girl. And I rolled over again by myself.
Yay, Elsa!
Yay!
Here, Boo-Boo Chicken. Yummy bird seed. Come and get it.
Bye, Daddy.